I can only run it on high for like a little bit. Otherwise, it's gonna like start to turn. Like the fan body starts turning. You'll see. Big thank you, tremendous thank you to NickTubeFans, QuamellsFanChannel, and the Fan Lover 27 for helping me with this. And I might even test the Westminster, depending on how much time I have, because my dad's gonna get home soon. Okay, I'm only gonna run it on high for like 5 seconds, so. Actually, I could also see it starting to turn, and it's spinning around, and it might fall. Oh, this actually isn't bad. This is not bad airflow. I'm really glad I finally got to test one of my fans. Thank you for watching, and more to come. Thank you.